Hey team, Claire here from My Mortgage, just running through one of the most common things that I get asked today, which is why on earth would I use a mortgage broker? Well, there are a few reasons for it, and I'm going to kind of tackle these from a few different perspectives today. So the first one is options. In today's lending environment and indeed in today's property market, it's really, really important to get yourself into the best position possible to be ready to purchase a property. Sometimes when we look across lending policies for one particular client, the difference in lending amount can be 150 or 200k. This can be due to a wide range of factors from debt to income ratios, uncommitted monthly incomes, which is serviceability, different income amounts and types that some banks take over others, business income, investments versus owner-occupied builds. It can be a massive range of different things. So having options is really important, and that is the first reason to use a mortgage broker. The second one is advice. If you walk into a bank, that person is not qualified to give you financial advice about how to get the right outcome for your situation and to meet your financial goals. So we deal with people every day in all walks of life, in all different sorts of financial situations, and we've developed an advice strategy for each different type of person, and we can tailor it to your situation. So having the advice around the right loan product to use, the right lender to choose, why you would do that, and then how to set that up for the long term is really important to us. The third reason is service. So I would be a very rich lady if I had $1 for every time a client said, well, I just didn't hear back from the bank, so I decided to come to you. Often we do hear this, and we are massively big on communication. So if you deal with us in our team, we'll come back to you within usually half a day if you have a question, usually a couple of hours. So we're massively big on getting back to people quickly and making sure you know where your application's at and how you're placed to make an offer or get yourself into a position to do a certain deal of some kind. The last one is price, and I deliberately put this at the end because yes, it is important. You can guarantee that if you work with us, you will get the best interest rate on the market, but it's not the be all and end all. It's not the only thing to consider, and it's why I put this at the end, because it's when we talk about the interest rate, it's also really important to get the right structure. But other things, fringe things around the deal, one bank might want you to meet a different condition to another bank, and that might be a real pain in the bum. So to me, price is actually surrounding the entire deal, like how easy is it to work with that lender, etc., etc. So price is big. You will get a great rate if you work with us. We are across all the different banks and what rates are being offered, and for your situation, we'll make sure that you get the best one. So that kind of covers off options, advice, service and price, and it actually fits in with our My Mortgage motto as well, or our vision, the way that we deal with our clients. So if you work with us, you can be sure that you get the right options, the advice, the service and the price for a loan that's going to be best for you now and in the future. So do not hesitate to reach out to us, whether you've got a client who might fit with that profile and they want someone fun and exciting to deal with, or yourself. Please reach out, DM me, email me, claire@mymortgage.co.nz, and we look forward to working with you.